Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel La Fisica che ci piace, where learning physics and mathematics it's amazing. Let's start. Here we have two vectors. How do we add these two vectors? I want to find one vector which actually is gonna be a sum of these two vectors. There are two different ways: the triangle method and the parallelogram method. Today we are gonna learn the triangle method. Before to start, let's have a quickly explanation about a couple of names related to vectors. Okay, this is a vector. This part is called tail. This part is called head. Okay, let's jump on the lesson. The first step. Let's place the tail of B on the head of A. As you see, I've drawn a perfect copy of B. Pay attention on that. In fact, they have the same magnitude and direction as well. Okay, so far so good. The second step. Let's draw a line starting from the tail of A to the head of B. Can you see a triangle? Yes, you can. So, this is a vector 2. This one represents the sum of these two vectors. S equals 2A plus B. Did you get it? I'm sure you did. Let's exercise yourself. Take a sheet, draw a couple of vectors, and add them using the triangle method. Leave a comment below about your work.